Hi my PlainJains and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to work with our blooming gel again with some medium to short stiletto nails. Yes, I shaped those myself. It is on my Etsy shop. If you would like to be custom setted for this, it's on my Etsy shop. Anyway, so we're going to be doing some blooming roses. We have that color pink. We're going to be using that matte top coat, not that other regular top coat that you just saw. Detail brush, our white gel polish from Beetles, and of course the blooming gel, the star of the hour. And we're going to be buffing the shine away. And you know our prep already, girl. You already know. So we're going to be buffing the shine away using our square nail buffer to smooth out that foundation. Then we are going to add our primer and then our gel base coat for these nails. You guys, when I said I was using the crap out of this blooming gel, I was like, okay, I could create this. I saw this blooming rose on Instagram. A couple of pages had done it, so I was like, let me try to do it. And I really love the results and how they turned out. So hopefully you guys like it as well. But before that, we have to get into, like I said, our prep work and what we're doing to get the results that we want. So again, I did shape these nails. I will probably do a nail shaping video later down the line. But for time purposes, yes, I did shape these nails off camera. And as I stated, I'm going to put that gel coat on there. And then we're going to go in with our white. And I did 2 coats of our gel white polish and cured for 60 seconds for each coat. And then when I'm done applying that, I'm going to add, like I said, the star of the hour, our blooming gel. And with the blooming gel, I try to go as thin as possible, but this thing is thick, honey. It's thicker than a Snicker up in that bottle. So you want to like wipe off the excess blooming gel if you can. I mean, if you can, that's fine too, because I tried. Like it's a lot. It is a lot. So you just want to wipe off the excess along the bottle, the neck of the bottle, and then apply it onto your nail so that you won't have a lot of excess blooming gel that will just disperse all the color everywhere. So try to control that aspect of applying that blooming gel. And again, after the blooming gel, we are going to add that beautiful pink. I think that pink was from Sunbow. I didn't mention it in the beginning, but that pink was from Sunbow. And I'm going to be using my detail brush to apply that as well. Some people use the dotted ball, but for this method I decided to use the brush. I feel like the brush application came out so much better. With the dotting tool, I think that's better for like the animal print or the crocodile print with the blooming method. With this brush, especially for the rose, you want to use this brush because of how you're going to apply the color, and I'll show you that in a bit. So I'm taking my detail brush, I dipped it into the pink gel polish, and if you notice, I am basically making some curvy lines here. However, the dollop or the majority of that paint that's at the tip of my detail brush is going one way, and then I'm going the opposite way with my detail brush with the majority of that gel polish to create another line, so we can have that rose effect. So again, if you see, I am turning my nail to the opposite direction. So where there's a thin line, I'm going to apply a thicker line, and when there's a thicker line, I'm going to apply a thin line to create that rose effect. And after we're done creating our roses, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. And I mentioned this in the last video as well. Working with blooming gel, I did notice that the longer you leave the color on, the more blooming it will do or disperse that color. So again, you just want to be mindful of that. And what I did was, once I was done designing my rose, I quickly put it into the UV lamp so it can cure for 60 seconds, because I still want the majority of that color to be potent in the design. So yes, definitely cure for 60 seconds after each one, or maybe one at a time, two at a time to cure, so that the color's still there. And then after that, we're gonna go in with our matte top coat to get the final results. And this is the final look, guys. Tell me this did not come out bomb, okay? Like, look, this is giving, it's just giving. It looks so good. It looks so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It's my first time trying this, and I think it came out pretty well. I don't know what I want to call this set, but let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to tell a friend. And until then, bye.